Ngare, Vai, 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 Ngare,
Vai,
Ngare, Vai, Ngare,
vai, bu,
Vai, Ngare, 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 Vai। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਨਾਨਕ ਕੋ ਗੁਰ ਦਿਖਿਆ ਦੀਨ, ਪ੍ਰਭ ਅਵਿਨਾਸੀ ਕਟ ਕਟ ਚੀਨ। Mortal and immortal. We all are mortals, as in our physical body, is perishable. It's going to die. It's going to perish one day. However, Vaheguru Ji, which is also inside us, which is pervading everywhere, is imperishable. उन्हें कभी खत्म नहीं होना. That's a major difference. Vaheguru Ji is Ajuni. He doesn't come in the Junes, but he comes with the mortal. That's the most important thing to understand. Wherever we will go, whichever June we will go, whichever species will go, Vaheguru will come along with us. But he himself is immortal. But just to take care of us, just to support us, just to guide us, he goes everywhere, wherever we go. If we take a kapda, a cloth of a bird, he'll come with us. A kapda of an insect, he will come with us. He will go wherever we will go. Because he's our father, he's our mother. He takes care of us. Nanak ko gur dikhya deen. The whole concept about Guru and Sishya, Guru and Sikh, is Guru will give us a dikhya. You know, see, Amrit vi kehne, when we become a follower of Guru Nanak, a follower of Gurbani Guru, Tan Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, we get a dikhya. गुरु दी दीक्षा मिलती है. नाम नानक को गुर दीक्षा दीन प्रभ अविनाशी कट कट चीन. कहते this is a diksha which I am giving you, that I am in everybody. I am Avinasi and I am in everybody. Even the person you don't like, even the person you hate, I am in there also. I am in the equal amount as I am inside you. जिन्ना मैं तेरे विच हां, जिन्हों तू नहीं चंगा समझदा, ओदे च भी मैं उन्ना ही हां. नानक को गुर दीक्षा दीन. This is the diksha which has been given to us. Prabh Abhinashi kat kat cheen. Recognize that one Vaheguru everywhere, in everybody. See that Jyot, Prakash Roop Vaheguru everywhere, in everybody. Same in this Ashtapadi, on the third pad we are. Abhinasi Sukh Apan Asan. Abhinasi Sukh Apan Asan. When only Abhinasi was there, he was in Sukhasan. What does that mean? You know, when in the evening time, when we do a seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, when we take a Hukamnama, we say this is a Sukhasan. That is, Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj is in his own right now. Sukh Asan. One of the asan hai, his seat is now of Sukh, of ease. Meaning, we are not reading Gurbani anymore. But when this world was not yet started, jadon duniya shuru nahi si hui, then Vaheguru Ji was the only one. His hukam was only one. We discussed yesterday also. Arbad narbad tundu kara taranna gagana hukam apara. Only his hukam, only his shabad is there, only he is there, nothing else is there. Similarly, Maharaj is saying, Abhinasi Sukh, he was in Sukh, in peace. Apan Asan, Teh Janam Maran Kaho Ka Abhinasan. When he was the only one, nobody was dying, nobody was taking a birth. And we have to learn to go to that stage. Uthe assi jana hai, uthe assi pahunchna hai. We have to go there. Stage where our janam maran is done. But if we have a lot of ichha, if we have hopes, desires, and wishes, if we have doubts in our mind, if we judge people that this person is like this, that person is like that, no, then we cannot come out of birth and death. And how can we get to the state where no longer birth and death is there? जिन हर 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 रस नाम न पाया ते भागहीन जम पास. कहते if we will not receive this har ras, amrit ras, we are unfortunate and we will come in birth and death. What does that mean? That means if we will get that har ras, amrit ras, we will come out of this cycle of life and death. That's where Vaheguruji is there. The Abhinasi Vaheguru, the imperishable Vaheguru, he's pervading everywhere. When we will start seeing him in everybody, then we will not come in birth and death. That is the purpose of our life. Our purpose of life is not to become an engineer, to become a doctor, to become a businessman. No. That is a physical body's karam. Karam is only connected. Action is only connected with your physical body. We have to go to a state where we understand the purpose of our mind. Pai prapat manukh dihuriya gobind milan ki eh teri bariya avar kaaj tere kite na kaam milsad sangat paj keval naam. We don't jap naam to live a good life, physical life. No, that's not the purpose. We jap naam so that we can go in sukh asan, we can rest in peace forever. And we have to learn to rest in peace while we are alive. We have to learn to die while we are alive. जींदियां जी मरना सीखना है. मोया जित कर जाइए तित जीवतियां मर मार. जिथे मर के जाना है, the place where we have to go when we will die, we have to learn to go to that place while we are alive. That is the purpose. That is something what we have to learn. That is the path of Sikhi. Not good karams, not bad karams. Because Maharaj says, the good karams and bad karams which you do, you are doing those karams in this physical body. It is connected with the physical body. In the Maya, you have to go beyond that. That janam marana kaho kaha binasan. जब पूरन करता प्रभ सोए तब जम की त्रास कहो किस होए. When he is there, when he is present, nothing else is there, then you will not be scared of jam, because jam is also not there. When our mind reaches to the stage where only Vaheguruji is there, sab Gobind hai, sab Gobind hai, Gobind bin na koe. When there is only Gobind, nobody else, then there is no jam, no Jamraj, no Chitargupt, not Jamdut. They are not there. Only Vaheguru, only one. जब पूरन करता प्रभ सोए तब जम की त्रास कहो किस होए. If Puran Vaheguru, when Vaheguruji is at his fullest, only Vaheguru is there, then nobody else is there. Jam is also not there. Jamraj is also not there. Jab abgat agochar prab eka. Now what is abgat and what is agochar? Abgat is the one which cannot be seen. Adrisht. Agochar is who is away from our physical senses. But Maharaj says, when there is only one Vaheguru, when we don't exist, our physical senses are not existing, only one Vaheguru is there, then there is no Lekha also. What does that mean? If we will reach to a place where Vaheguruji is there, our Lekha, our account is also not written. Chitargupt also does not exist there. Taram Raj does not exist there. Jab Abgat Agochar Prab Eka, only one Vaheguru, Eka. Eko hai ji, eko hai, sahib mera eko hai. Tab Chitargupt kis puchat lekha? Then why the lekha will be asked? Lekha is only asked in this Maya, in this Trigun Maya. Otherwise, Lekha, the account, is also not asked by Vaheguruji, by the Chitargupt. Chitargupt does not exist there. Only Vaheguru. Jab Nath Niranjan Agochar Agade, tab kaun chute, kaun bandhan bande? If only one Vaheguruji is there in the form of Niranjan, in the form of Agochar, in the form of Agad, all these words are associated with Vaheguru. When we are in Maya, when, for example, we are surrounded with this darkness, surrounded with these thoughts, how can we come out of this Maya? Naam, Niranjan, Need, Narayan, Rasna, Simrat, Paap, Palayan. But when we go to the state of Niranjan, as in our mind reaches that stage where we see the invisible Vaheguru, the Vaheguru who is spotless, who has removed all the darkness from our mind, who we used to think is far away, but he's next to us. Gur mere sang sada hai nale. At that point, nobody can ask your account. कि तुसी माड़े कर्म कीते के चंगे कर्म कीते. Did you do a bad deeds or good deeds? Karams are no longer there. Karams are no longer valid. Sikhi is not behind the karams. Guru Nanak wants us to go beyond the karams, where the lekha is not there. That's why we read this ardas, we do this ardas. Lekhe kate na chutiye, khin khin pulanhar. If somebody is going to ask our lekha, our account, did we do a good thing or a bad thing? Probably, at least I can talk about myself, I cannot say that I never did anything bad, because I know I have done a lot of bad things in my life, not just in previous lives, in this life also. I have broken so many people's heart. I've done bad things, so many bad things. If somebody is going to ask a lekha, I am definitely going to fail. But Maharaj says, go to the place where the lekha will never be asked. Jab Nath Niranjan Agochar Agade, tab kaun chute, kaun bandhan bande. If you reach to that stage, nobody is getting liberated there. Nobody is getting bonded there. Because that Shrishti, that Maya is no longer there. Only Vaheguruji is there. When we are with Vaheguru, then Jamdoots cannot come close to us. When we are with the Shabad, when we are with the Naam, then nothing can touch us. Jam vi na aave nede. Even jams cannot come close to us. And that is what we have to learn, how to go to that place, how to go to that Sun Samad. आपन आप ही अचरजा, नानक आपन रूप आप ही उपरजा. He is the most wonderful entity of this world, the purest ever. Sometimes we say, oh, I know that person. That person is very nice. He is the best person, very nice person. Maharaj says, no, no. Maharaj says, only one Vaheguru is the nicest, spotless, Niranjan. आपन आप ही अचरजा, बंदे च कोई खूबी नहीं. If somebody says, I am better, I am good than other, that is the biggest problem, because that is our home. We have no qualities of ours. आपन आप ही अचरजा, नानक आपन रूप आप ही उपरजा. Vaheguru is the only spotless, and his roop, his akar, is also, he has created himself. He's Sepang. Nobody has created that roop. Nobody in this world, in this universe, can create this purest form of Vaheguru. It's Vaheguru himself created himself. A spotless form. जय निर्मल पुरख पुरख पत होता, तह बिन मैल करो क्या तोता. जय निर्मल पुरख पुरख पत होता. If there is only one beautiful Vaheguru, only one beautiful Vaheguru, Nirmal, the purest Vaheguru, तह बिन मैल कहो क्या तोता. There is no mal, there is no filth, there is no darkness. What will be washed? If somebody says, oh, that person is the best person, purest person, they do very good deeds, फिर तो कोई मैल है ही नहीं, रब दी लोड़ ही नहीं फिर. Then there is no need of Vaheguru. What are we going to wash if something is not dirty? If somebody says, oh, I do only good karams, I'm the best person of this world, then Maharaj says, then you are the God. God is not needed then. Vaheguru is not needed. Vaheguru is only needed. First, we have to come in the Sharan of Vaheguru and say, Ham avgun pare ek gun nahi. Mere koi gun nahi. I don't have any gun, any qualities. जेता समुंद सागर नीर भरिया, तेते औगण हमारे. दया करो किछ मेर पाओ, डुबदे पत्थर तारे. तुम करो दया मेरे साईं, ऐसी मत दीजे मेरे ठाकुर. सदा सदा तुद ध्याई. If we say we don't have any problems, then what are we are here for? That's why first we have to agree that we are filled with the darkness. We are filled with the dark thoughts. Then only that Nirmal Vaheguru will remove our darkness, will remove our filth. For example, if you say your clothes are not dirty, will you wash your clothes? If your clothes are not stinky, will you wash your clothes? No. You say, oh, my clothes are not dirty, I don't need to wash it. That is what is happening today. Everybody thinks they are Nirmal. I says, no. Only Vaheguruji is Nirmal. We all are filthy. We are dirty. Otherwise, if we are Nirmal, then Vaheguru is not needed. Then what we need to get washed? ਕਿਹੜਾ ਮਨ ਧੋਣਾ ਸੀ? ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਧੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ. We will only wash our mind if we will say our mind is dirty. ਮਨ ਧੋਵੋ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਲਾਗੋ, ਹਰਸ਼ ਰਹੋ, ਚਿਤ ਲਾਏ. Why we got this birth? Did we got this birth to do good karams, bad karams? No. Janam ham kalak toveं. We were already filthy. जन्म जन्म की इस मन को मल लागी, काला हुआ सियाओ, pitch black. That's why we got this birth, not to do good karams, bad karams, but to wash the bad filth, the darkness of our mind, the ignorance of our mind, to take the wisdom. That's why we got this birth. ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ? We are putting more filth, more filth. जय निरंजन निरंकार निर्वाण, तह कौन को मान कौन अभिमान. And if Vaheguru Ji is fully present in everybody, he is there, but it is covered with the filth, right? And if there is no longer filth, if only Niranjan, Nirankar, Nirban, what is Niranjan, Guru Pyareo? Naam Niranjan Neer Narayan Rasna Simrat Papline, spotless. Nirankar is formless. Nirban is, it doesn't have to come in the cycle of life and death. Purest. It has no desires. That's Nirban. Jai Niranjan Nirankar Nirban. Teh kaun ko maan kaun abhiman. Then there will be no arrogance. There will be no ego. There will be no honor. There will be no dishonor. Because it's only Vaheguru. So if we want to go out of this honor and dishonor and everything and arrogance, the only way is to connect our mind with that Vaheguru, who himself is Niranjan, who himself is Nirankar, who himself is Nirban. Jai Niranjan Nirankar Nirban. तै कौन को मान, कहते फिर किथे मान रह गया. Then there is no arrogance. कौन अभिमान? Nothing is there then. It's only Vaheguru. Jai Swarup Keval Jagdish. If the Swarup of Vaheguru is Jagdish, who is Jagdish? Jagdish. The one who is the honor, who is the boss of this whole creation. Jai Swarup Keval Jagdish. Teh Chhal Chidar Lagat Ko Kis. Then there will be no fraud. Chhal Chidar Khatam. Dhokha nahi hoega koi. There will be no dhokha, no fraud, no sin. If only Vaheguru Ji will be there. Because Vaheguru Ji is purest of pure. Jai Jyot Swarupi Jyot Sang Samave. Teh kise Pukh Kavan Triptave. When our mind will become Jyot Swarup, when our mind will become like Vaheguru, like light, Prakash Vaheguru, purest of pure, when the darkness will go away, then it will merge in that one purest Vaheguru. Then there will be no hunger, there will be no desires, no hunger, there will be no Trishna. When our mind will become merged with the, if we are having hopes, desires, wishes, that means we have not yet merged in one Vaheguru. We have to continuously work on it, work on it, work on it. When this hopes and desires will be erased, eliminated, wishes will be eliminated, then we will merge. अगर अजय भी फुरने हगे तृष्णा हगी है, that means we can come back in this world again and may not be in the form of human in 84 lakh joon. And who is doing everything? Who is responsible for everything? Whatever is happening around us. Maharaj says, Karan Karavan Karne Har. नानक करते का नाहे sumar. And you cannot even contemplate. Sumar meaning no contemplation, no calculation, beyond your thought, beyond my thought, beyond our thought. How he is doing all these things, how will be he doing these things? कहते थे ने कर्मा दी खेड है. But that calculation, what is happening, that algorithm which is there, it is impossible to contemplate. नानक करते का नाहे शुमार. जब अपनी शोभा आपन संग बनाई, all around us have Vaheguruji in them. They are part of Vaheguru. Everybody, no matter whether it is a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, whether a theist, anybody who believes in God or not, directly or indirectly, they are singing praises of Vaheguru. Maharaj is saying, because of his continuous glory, nobody is special because he himself is there in everybody. Tab kavan mae, baap, mitr, sut pai. He is our mata, he is our pita. Tu mera pita, tu hai mera mata. Tu mera bandap, tu mera prata. What we are doing? We are saying, this is my father, this is my mother, this is my brother, this is my sister. Maharaj says, no, only him. And he is in everybody. Tab kavan mae, baap, mitar, sut pai. Kande, not the special person. Everybody is your father. Everybody is your mother. Everybody is your brother. Everybody is your sister. Even the people you don't like, they are also same. There is no difference. You hate them, but they are also part of Vaheguru. Jai Sarab Kala, Ape Parveen, Teh Ved, Kateb, Kahan ko cheen? He is there. He's full of wisdom, full of power. Jai Sarab Kala, Ape Parveen, Teh Ved, Kateb, Kahan ko cheen? When he is there, who is giving the guidance? Who was giving the guidance? When there was no Ved, no Kateb, there was no religious scriptures, no Quran Sharif, no Gurbani, no Vedas, then who was giving the guidance? Fair ki hunda si? Who was reading them? Who was understanding them? What Maharaj is trying to tell us is there that these scriptures have been created so that we can go back to the place from where we came. Asi vichhade hain. These scriptures came into the existence because we have forgotten the purpose of our life. We've forgotten. That's why Maharaj said, now they have forgotten from where they came, their purpose of life, they should read the scriptures. But what people have done, they have made scriptures to be happy in this world. Duniya de sukh vaste. Duniya de sukh vaste nahi. That's why Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that if you are coming for the worldly happiness to me, don't come to me. Nanak ke kar keval naam. I can only give you naam. Because naam has the true happiness. The worldly happiness are temporary. Jai sarab kala ape prabeen, teh ved kateb kahan ko cheen. When only one Vaheguru was there, no Ved, no Kateb, nothing was there. Nobody was there to read them, to contemplate them. Jab apan aap urtare, to sagan kahan bichare. Now, if something has to happen, People say, oh, this is a good shagan. Good time, bad time. Maharaj says, if only he is there, he's every time he's there, then how you're going to do the vichar of whether this is a good time or a bad time? That's why Ab Shagan is the time when we forget Vaheguru. Shagan is the time when we remember Vaheguru. That's why in Sikhi, there is no good time or a bad time. All the time is good time if we are remembering Vaheguru. All the times are the bad times when we are forgetting Vaheguru. Jab apan aap ur dhare, when we remember him all the time, and when we have Vaheguru ji in our heart, तो शगन अब शगन कहाँ बेचारे? Then everything is good. There is no शगन अब शगन. जय आपन ऊंच आपन आप नेरा, तै कौन ठाकुर कौन कहिए चेरा. When Vaheguruji is there all the time, when our surti is above our head, above the nau darwaje, above these 9 doors, above the Maya, then it's only Vaheguru. Then Vaheguruji is not far away. Then kaun Thakur kaun kahiye chera. Then we are. That's why when Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj gave the Amrit, he said, give me the same Amrit also. He gave the Amrit to the 5 pyare, and he took Amrit himself from the Panch pyare. Ape Guru Chela. He was himself Guru, himself Chela. जब आपन ऊंच आपन आप नेरा, आप ही उच्चा आप ही कोल्स, everything is him. ते कौन ठाकुर कौन कहिए चेरा. Then who is the Thakur? Who is the master? Who is the servant? When our mind connects with Vaheguru above these 9 doors, then there is no difference left between us and him. And when we say people that you are this, you are that, that is the biggest sin we do. बड़ा सी अपना नुकसान करते हैं, बहुत नुकसान करते हैं. Sometimes we don't like people, we say things, bad things about them. ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾਲ ਕੱਢ ਰਹੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਲਕ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਲ ਕੱਢ ਰਹੇ. We are abusing Vaheguru, not that mortal being. Because same mortal being which you see, when their mind becomes united with one Vaheguru, they become Vaheguru. हर जन ऐसा चाहिए जैसा हर ही होए. सब में जोत जोत है सोए, तिस दे चानन सब में चानन होए. And then that state is बिस्मन बिसम रहे बिस्माद, नानक अपनी गत जानो आप. And that is the stage of, that's why we say Wah Guru, wonderstruck, amazing state. Bismad, the state of Bismad, when you are wonderstruck. And that is the stage we have to be there, because that's why we say Wah Guru, because we want to become that wonderstruck state. This world is nothing. Pain will come, sukh will come, dukh will come. If people will like you, you will like them. If people will hate you, you will hate them. But when we connect with Vaheguru, you will start loving everybody, because that Vaheguru's boond, that Vaheguru's jyot is in everybody. And when you will see that, you will remain in the state of Wah. Bisman bisam rahe bismad, Nanak apni gat jano aap. Only Vaheguruji knows his state. You are the only person who knows your own state. You know, sometimes people come and they say, Meri tarakki nahi hui. What is my state? you ask yourself, how much time do you spend to connect with Vaheguru? How much time do you spend in connecting with this physical world? We have to disconnect. We have to disconnect with this physical world. Then only we can connect with Vaheguru. Once we connect with the Vaheguru, then Maharaj says, Nanak apni gat jano aap. Ao ji, Vah, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. सेवा कर लो गुरु प्यारे हो. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru,
Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Guru, Ngeru, 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 अंतर्गत माँ नहीं बोले, माँ नहीं सुने। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। हमें अवगुण परे एक गुण नाही, अमृत झाड़ बिख बिख खाई। माया मोह परम पापुला, सुतदारा स्यो प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम पंथ सुन्यो गुर संगत, तह निरंजन त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरनाई। एक अरदास बाट कीरत की गुरु रामदास राखो सरनाई। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की